Hi, I'm Melinda and welcome to Raining in by Dystonia. Today is a horse care video. Today I'm doing bedding in the inside of the barn pens. We started doing these when the old man got sick. I don't know if you need to do it or not really, but we did it. We started doing it when he got sick because the vet said to make sure he had a nice spot to lay down, a soft spot, which he's got lots of. He had lots of soft spots out there. I still miss him so much. And so we started doing bedding back then, and we've continued doing it for Smokey. I say Smokey and Manny, but I don't know that Manny ever lays down in here, because he's not very secure. But I know that Smokey lays down inside these. I'm thinking this is a 10 by 14 maybe size pen. It's plenty big for Smokey and Manny. And Manny's a big boy. Anyway, I'm probably gonna have to do 5 bags of bedding in the other pen. But I put 4 out for now. So anyway, here I already got this one wet and it's already expanding, turning into bedding. These ones have not been wetted down yet. So you do a crosswise cut in all the bags and then flip them over like that to wet them down so that they expand. When we first started doing this, I looked on YouTube for how to do them. Like, hopefully people will see this video. And the ones that I saw, the people were using buckets of water, like a gallon of water. I don't have the strength or ability to haul around buckets of water, you know, to do all this. So I'm using a good old hose. Thankfully we have water nearby, so that's what I'm doing. Anyway, I'll go ahead and wet these down and then continue. Okay, so these ones, this is the first time. I've sprayed them down once and now they've expanded. So here I am going to scrape out some of the expanded stuff so that I can spray the pelleted stuff again. So as you see, not that much really expanded because I'm not using buckets of water. So it takes longer this way, but it's easier for me. So I will wet these down again, and when they've expanded again, I will scrape out the stuff that's expanded. I usually do it at least 3 times while it's still in the bag. And then after the 3rd time, I dump out the bags and then spread the bedding around and wet it down some more. Another reason I like to use a hose with a spray wand attached to do it rather than a bucket is I have more control on that. Bucket of water, not so much control on that. And I say control because you don't want to just accidentally dump a whole bucket of water and then the whole thing be a muddy mess. I try not to do that because that can be slippery, or, you know, I just see it as a danger thing. So that's another reason to use a hose with a little spray wand attached, like that. Okay, so these have been sprayed down the 3rd time now. Interesting that the older bags seem to be breaking down better than the newer bags. Like these, those 3 those three are newer bags and aren't breaking down as well as this older bag that's in front. So anyway, these are wetted down for the third time. I'll show you the other pen. These older bags also seem to have a better color tone, so that's funky too. Anyway, they've been dumped out. Now I'm gonna scrape them out and wet them down again. So I'm taking pictures of each one so that you can see the difference in the color. Anyway, this is the old stuff, and it's much brighter and prettier, and it's breaking down better. I decided to do another one of bedding in here, so I'll have 5. They hang out in here a lot, so that's probably why. When they come in and out for their water, they drag bedding out, you know, and it has to be replaced. They drag it out when they come in and out, so that's probably why this one is lower than the other. About a year ago, I guess, we decided to put these mats here where they come in to kind of help with some of the loss of bedding, and it's really helped a lot. I wanted to do something easy and something that they wouldn't really trip on, and so we put these mats out, and it seems to help a lot. In the morning, we generally scrape bedding away from this area, we scrape some of the extra bedding from around here to prevent more loss. We're on a budget, so I'm trying to save money. So we do that with both pins every morning, just to kind of help with the loss of the bedding. Another thing that we attribute bedding loss to is the wind. This place is really set up wrong, because the wind blows, usually will blow right, like directly in here. They should have put the shop on this side and the barn on the other side. Like blizzard-like conditions suck, because if the boys come in here to get out of it, they have to kind of tuck in the corner, because it just blows right the heck in here. On it a little bit to kind of see what it is, but they're not eating it. So here again is another one of these mats that we use to kind of prevent some of the loss of the bedding. Let's see, I've wetted them down 4 times now, so I'm gonna even them out. I don't know why she's like, what is this? So I'm gonna spread it out some more and wet it down again, and that probably should be good. I think I generally do it about 5 times, maybe once in a while 6. Another cautionary thing is you don't want your horses to eat it. So hungry horses, I don't know, maybe they'd eat it, maybe they wouldn't, I'm not sure. I don't worry that mine will eat it, because they got pasture and 24/7 hay, and there's no reason for them to be eating pelleted bedding. But you know, there might be a horse or 2 out there that would. So this side is just breaking down faster and nicer. Anyway, when I'm all done, I'll take a final picture of each one and attach it to the end of the video, and I'll attach pictures of the differences between the two at the end of the video. Also, the horses, as they're on it and walking on it, it'll help break it down more. I usually do go back like in 2 or 3 days or at some point and see if it needs to be sprayed down again, and do that if necessary. But anyway, thanks y'all. Have a good day.